Some people say that among the billions of people on Earth, there's one person you're meant to love. You might pass thousands on the street, exchange polite nods with dozens more at work or school. But then one day, seemingly by chance, you meet someone who feels inexplicably familiar. Your hearts connect as if they've known each other forever. Is that just a coincidence? Or is there something more? Modern science is beginning to explore the idea that love isn't just a matter of chance or even pure chemistry. It might also be written into our very DNA. At the University of Colorado Boulder, a research team conducted a groundbreaking study. They gathered 800 married couples and another 800 randomly matched, unrelated men and women who had no romantic ties. When they analyzed the genetic data, they found something astonishing. Married couples shared significantly more genetic similarities than the unrelated pairs. Sure, people often marry within the same ethnic or regional background. But even after adjusting for such factors, a deeper pattern emerged. Humans, it seems, are subtly drawn to partners with similar genetic profiles. But how? How do we, in the vast sea of people, somehow find the one whose DNA resonates with our own? Science doesn't have the answer yet. Maybe the answer lies somewhere beyond the physical world. Dr. Michael Newton, a certified master hypnotherapist, didn't set out to answer the mysteries of love. He was helping clients reduce physical and emotional pain through deep hypnosis, sometimes leading them back into memories of past lives. His patients came from all walks of life, some deeply religious, others firm atheists. But under hypnosis, they described astonishingly similar scenes from a spiritual realm beyond death. A luminous, pristine place where souls existed as radiant, colorful energy. In this space, communication happened through thoughts. Souls reviewed their past lives in a vast library-like hall and stood before a council of wise elders to reflect on their actions. They even helped choose their next life with all the trials, lessons, and, yes, the people they would meet. One recurring theme in Newton's research was that souls travel in groups. Over multiple lifetimes, these souls played different roles for each other: parent, friend, sibling, or lover. And among these soul groups, there was a curious trend. Many married couples in the present had shared profound, sometimes tragic love stories across previous lives. For example, one woman under hypnosis recalled a life in ancient Rome. She had been a kitchen maid assigned to feed gladiators. Among them was a young warrior she secretly loved. The night before his final battle, he told her with quiet intensity, "I will love you forever." He died the next day in the arena. But his words, like a vow carved into the fabric of time, echoed forward. In this life, they found each other again. Dr. Newton discovered another fascinating element. Before reincarnation, souls could enter what he called the Ring of Destiny. There, they glimpsed key moments from their upcoming life, important signals to help them recognize their soulmates again. In another case, a man was shown fragments of his future, his wife's laugh, the scent of her perfume when they danced, the sparkle of her eyes. The woman, in turn, was told to remember his clumsy dance moves, his oversized ears, and the feeling of safety in his arms. When life began anew, they were born thousands of miles apart, he in Iowa, she in California. In high school, the man nearly married someone else. But fate intervened. His family moved to California. Alone and disoriented in a new city, he suddenly felt the urge to go to a dance. That night, he met Melinda. The perfume, the laughter, the feeling, it all came rushing back. Later, under hypnosis, the man remembered that it was one of the elder spirits who had planted that spontaneous thought in his mind. Go to the dance tonight. It wasn't random at all. It was destiny, unfolding. So, perhaps that magnetic pull you feel toward someone isn't just attraction. Perhaps it's the echo of shared pasts, coded into your genes and your soul. The scientists see it in DNA strands. The mystics see it in soul contracts. But both are hinting at the same mystery. we are connected in ways we cannot fully understand. Next time your heart races when you meet someone new, or you feel that déjà vu moment of uncanny familiarity, pause. It might not be the first time your souls have met. And if the universe truly does tie people together with invisible threads, whether woven from genes or spirit, you may already be closer than you think to the one who was always meant to walk beside you.
Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Share it, because some stories are meant to be discovered together. And stay curious. I'll see you in the next chapter.